All right, we hit those. We hit everything with a soft wire brush. I cleaned everything up, removed the paint, removed all the rust that was visible. Okay, so we're in pretty good shape. Everything cleaned up really, really nice. Yeah. At this point, what we're going to do, because the possibility always exists that there is some unseen rust. So we're going to hit all of these components with a blue and rust remover. All right, we're just going to take those parts and drop them into tap water. All right, so yeah, everything's dried off. We're just going to hit everything with a little bit of double aught brass wool. There's a small dent on this one half right here. Very, very small dent, but it can be seen. And when that's painted, it's going to stick out like a sore thumb. All right, so to get rid of that, we're going to try to rub it out. Okay, like they do if you've ever seen people from Dentex, one of those dent removal companies. They rub things out if they have access to the back. So that's what we're going to try to do here. We do have access to the back, and we can see that dent here. So what we're going to use, we're going to use a brass tool. All right, so here's the fun part, reassembly. Okay, we got the stack. Okay, so we're going to use our vice grips just to crimp the end. Reflatten that out. There you go. You can see that's flattened out again.